Question number 1. Write the condition for the root to become equal in the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a comma b comma c are real and a not equal to 0. So we have to write the condition. The solution is the condition for the root to become equal in the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a comma b comma c are real and a not equals to 0 is the discriminant of the quadratic equation is 0. So what is the discriminant? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then we will say that the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So this is the condition. So we have to write this statement. Question number 2. The radius of a circle is 10 centimeter and length of a chord is 12 centimeter. Then calculate the distance between the chord and center of the circle. So first here we will discuss about chord, diameter and the center. So here we have a circle. In this circle, this line is called chord and this line is called diameter. This is the one of the chord, but we know a chord which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. So this line is a diameter and this is also a chord and this point is called center. So on the basis of this concept we will solve the given question. So here, to solve this question, first we will draw a circle with center O. AO is the radius, OB is the radius, and the length of OA and OB equals to 10 centimeter as it is given in the question, that this is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now AB is a chord and length of AB equals to 12 centimeter as it is given in the question. Okay, now what to do? Here AB is a chord and OC, that is length of perpendicular, OC is drawn on AB, which is perpendicular on AB, and AC equals to BC equals to half of AB. Why? Because the perpendicular drawn to a chord which is not a diameter from the center of the circle bisect the chord. That means this line OC bisect this chord AB. That's why AC equals to BC and AC equals to BC equals to half of AB. So what will be the length of this BC? BC equals to half of AB. That means half of 12. So half of 12 means 6 centimeter. And OB is 10 centimeter as it is radius of the circle. Now what we have to write? Now see, by the Pythagoras theorem in triangle OBC, OBC is a right angle triangle. See here, OBC is a right angle triangle. So we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. So length of OC equals to root over hypotenuse square minus BC square. So what is the length of hypotenuse? In this triangle, OB is a length of hypotenuse and BC we can take this is as a base. So here hypotenuse square means OB square minus BC square, and OB equals to 10 centimeter. That's why 10 square minus 6 square, and this will be under the root. Now just calculate. 10 square means 100 minus 6 square is 36 and take root over. Then solve. After solving we will get 8 centimeter. So the distance between the chord and the center of the circle, distance between the chord and center of the circle equals to OC. Here what is the distance between center of the circle and the chord? That is OC. So what we will get here, the distance between the chord and center of the circle equals to OC, and the length of OC equals to 8 centimeter. Here we got. So that's why 8 centimeter is the answer.